Hi everybody, it's Susan from Sunrise Quilt Studio, and today I am standing in front of my Christmas project for 2021. This is called Christmas Baskets, and it's all pieced, and the blocks are set on point with 2-inch sashing and cornerstones, and I have a 4-inch border. So there are 13 blocks in this quilt, and in the project I'm going to make 4 bonus blocks that are applique, so you can interchange those however you want, make as many of those as you want, and use them instead of some of the piece blocks. Now the fabrics that I used for this quilt here is Snowed In, and that is by Heather Peterson for Riley Blake. And what I'm going to use for the tutorial is Marché de Noël by Three Sisters for Moda. So if you, here is the layer cake here. One layer cake will make all 13 piece blocks plus at least 4 of the applique blocks. You will probably have more than enough. You should have more than enough to make the 4 applique blocks, and you can even make more if you want to. Now for the background, here you're going to need 2 1/4 yards for the background, and then for your setting triangles and corner triangles you will need 7/8 of a yard. So you could just round that up to 1 yard if you want, and that way you can make these pieces, the setting triangles and the corner triangles, a different fabric if you want to. For the sashing you need 7/8 of a yard. For the cornerstones you need 1/4 yard, and for your outer border you need 1 yard. So that should get you everything you need. Oh, and then for the binding you need a 1/2 yard. This quilt turns out to be 61 inches square, and I think it's going to be fun to quilt when I get it on the machine. And so if you've ever been wanting to learn how to make basket quilts, this may be a good opportunity for you to try this out. Now these are all traditional blocks, vintage blocks, and I've drafted them to take out some of the complicated piecing that is required in some basket blocks. So I think they will be easy for you to put together even if you're a beginner. If you can do half square triangles and flying geese units and hourglass units, this will be easy for you. So I hope you'll give this one a try. So over the next couple of months I'll have tutorials up on how to make these blocks, and I hope you'll join me. Okay, here are the fabrics that I bought to make the second Christmas basket quilt. Of course I have my layer cake here, and it has lots of really pretty prints and colors in there. We've got some cream color, there's some soft blue, we've got greens, and then we have the cranberry colors, and some more creams and some multicolored prints. So I think this is going to be really pretty. And for the background of the blocks and for the setting triangles and the corner squares, I bought this fabric here. This is a paisley print, so it's a cream on cream color, and it goes really well with this fabric here. And then I bought these two, which are the same print, just 2 different colorways, so one in the cranberry and one in the green. So I'm thinking that one will be for the border and then one for the sashing, and I haven't decided which yet. I bought the same yardage of both. There's 2 yards here of each, so I have plenty to do with whatever I want with it, so it can go in either place. So that is what I chose for this quilt. So this is going to have quite a bit of a different look to it, because this is more traditional and the quilt I just finished is more whimsical, because there's, you know, there's little houses in there, there's Christmas trees, plaids. It's more playful looking, and this is more formal. So I think they're both going to be pretty, and I'm anxious to get started. So I hope you will join me, and here I'll show you some close-ups of the blocks in the quilt with the Snowed In fabric line.
Thanks for watching. For more quilting ideas, click on the video links. And to keep up with my latest projects, click on the subscribe button. I hope to see you again soon.